What's up, guys? It's your favorite math teacher here, and today we're going to solve a system of equations using substitution. So this is without graphing. So here's my system right here. I have 2x minus 3y equals negative 1, and y equals x minus 1. So when you solve it, you're trying to figure out what is a x value and a y value that works for both. So if I look at this second equation, it says y is equal to x minus 1. So if you have one equation where it tells you y equals or x equals, take what it's equal to. In this case, x minus 1. I'm going to plug this into the top equation where y is, right? It's just substitution. You plug in values. If you need help with substitution, go watch the video on substitution. So I have 2x minus 3y, but we just said y is x minus 1. So that's what the equation says. So again, I just replaced y with x minus 1 because that second one literally says y equals x minus 1. So I'm going to do the distributive property. I have 2x minus 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times negative 1, right? There's two negatives there. Be careful with those. So that makes a positive 3 equals negative 1. So combined like terms, I have 2x minus 3x. That makes negative 1x plus 3 equals negative 1. So this is now a two-step equation. I will subtract 3 from both sides. That cancels out. So I know negative 1x equals negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. And so now I'm going to divide each side by negative 1. That cancels out. So x equals 4. So that's x, but we still have to solve for y. Once you know 1, just plug it in. And you can plug it into either equation. I'm going to plug that 4 into the bottom equation because the bottom one just says x minus 1, whereas that top one is 2 times x minus 3 times y equals negative 1. It's more work. So I'm going to take my second equation, which is y equals x minus 1, but we said x is 4. So I'm going to do 4 minus 1. So that's easy. So y equals 3. So when you write your answer, since it's x and y, always write it as a coordinate point. And you could totally check this, right? When you check your work, well, if my answers are 4 and 3, plug them in. That first equation says y equals x minus 1. Well, y is 3 and x is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, so I know it works there. For my second equation, it's 2x minus 3y equals negative 1. So that's 2 times x is 4, minus 3 times y is 3, equals negative 1. 2 times 4 is 8, minus 3 times 3 is 9, equals negative 1, and 8 minus 9 is negative 1. So as you'll see, 4 and 3 works for both of them, so that is my correct answer.